Y'all, is it just me, or whenever I post videos that are like edited, it still gets a few views and a little bit of likes? And like, is it just me? Like, whenever I post something that's really edited, or something, or like a really good photo or something like that, I still don't get enough views. Like, my likes are somewhere like 17, 18, and like my views are like 8, 1, 2. 1 is really my and even 0. Like, when other people post stuff, it's like already famous in just like 10 seconds. Like, if they like post a random video like them dancing, it's already famous. They're not even like, I mean, if a kid like somewhere 8 or 6, they post a video, it gets views because they're cute. But I'm 9. Like, even other people in America, they're like somewhere 9 years old, they still get famous. Like, bro, what is up with y'all? Is maybe because my viewers are like Filipino instead of like English Americans? Fine, if you want me to speak Tagalog, I'll speak Tagalog. Ano ba problema nyo? Gusto ko lang ng views. Gusto ko lang ng views sa inyo. Wala naman akong views. Kahit sa TikTok ko, wala pa rin akong views. Ano, ito ba yung gusto nyo? Gusto nyo ba ako ma-understand, ha? Like, bro, yung mga ibang videos nakikita ko sa YouTube at TikTok, sumasayaw lang sila, tapos boom, 1,000 or million na yung ano na nila, yung likes, tapos comments, tapos views. Sa akin, super edited. Minsan, super edited. Hindi pa rin magka-like. Hindi pa rin. Wala pa rin. Ano ba problema nyo? Hate ba kayo? Wala ba kayo pake? Ano ba? Ayaw nyo panoorin yung mga videos ko? Konti lang yung mga subscribers ko. Parang yung kinulob, yung ano, parang si Sky ba yun? Yung latest video ko na-upload ko, may kasama akong little girl. May 1K views na lang. May 1K views siya. Tapos 97 videos. Like, dahil ba cute siya? Diba? Mukha siyang mga 6 or 7 years old, or didn't 8.
7?
Yun lang. Ipapakita din ako. Bro, tignan niyo ang ganda ng lipstick na to. Sa mama ko to. Tama ba yung shade? Bago lang to. Sobrang bago.